Matuto po agad mag-English gamit ang cook it bilang lutuin mo ito o kaya lutuin mo yun o iyon. Lutuin mo ito ng maingat. Cook it carefully. Lutuin mo yun ng hiwalay. Cook it separately. Lutuin mo ito ng ligtas. Cook it safely. Lutuin mo yun ng masarap. Cook it deliciously. Lutuin mo ito ng maayos. Cook it well. Lutuin mo yun ng tama. Cook it correctly. Lutuin mo yun ng malutong. Cook it crispily. Lutuin mo ito ng malambot. Cook it tenderly. Lutuin mo ito ng manipis. Cook it thinly. Lutuin mo ito ng makapal. Cook it thickly. Lutuin mo yun ng bahagya. Cook it lightly. At ang huli, lutuin mo ito ng banayad. Cook it gently. Okay po?